Alfred State is excited to welcome you and your family to campus. Some of our current students wanted to share advice on what to be on the lookout for when you come to our open house program.
One thing that students should do when they check out an open house at Alfred is definitely check out downtown. See everything that's down there, all the restaurants and cute little shops that we offer.
Like, take advantage of the tours, because with the tours you're able to see the dorms, you're able to go see classrooms, just so you get a sense of comfort before you're here the first day.
Check out all the residential options here on campus, and also make sure you check out the food that we have. It's my favorite place.
Make sure you check out the resource tables here at SLC.
Visit the campus store. They have a lot of different merch you can purchase. They have snacks, drinks.
On the Wellsville campus, make sure you check out the Pioneer Student Lounge. It's definitely a nice place to be with friends and whoever you want to be, and just relax and relieve all the stress that you may have or whatever. It's very relaxing, especially the massage chairs.
Make sure you check out the views and really stop and just take in the beautifulness of the area.
Just keep your eyes open. Look around, walk from the top of campus to the bottom of campus, going through each classroom, each building, but keep your eyes open. Look at what students are doing on campus, how students are smiling, how they feel. It's an excellent experience. Students love being here. They love it.
We are so excited to see you on campus this weekend.